Fasting has been practiced for centuries, often for religious or spiritual reasons. Ancient cultures believed that fasting could bring them closer to the divine, purify the soul, and enhance mental clarity. Today, more people are discovering its potential health benefits. Modern science is beginning to validate what many have known for ages. Fasting can be beneficial for the body and mind. It's not just about weight loss. While many turn to fasting to shed pounds, the benefits extend far beyond the scale. Fasting can be a powerful tool to improve overall well-being. It can boost energy levels, enhance mental clarity, and even improve mood. Many people are turning to fasting for its potential to cleanse the body and improve cellular health. Studies suggest that fasting can promote autophagy, a process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. It's a chance to give your digestive system a break and allow your body to focus on internal repair. By reducing the constant demand for digestion, fasting can help the body allocate energy towards healing and rejuvenation. Autophagy is a natural process that happens inside your cells. It's a vital mechanism that allows cells to clean out their own waste. Think of it like your body's own recycling system. Just as recycling plants process and repurpose waste materials, your cells break down and reuse their own components. It's how your cells get rid of old, damaged parts and replace them with new ones. This renewal process is essential for maintaining cellular health and efficiency. This process is crucial for keeping your cells healthy and functioning properly. Without it, cells would accumulate damage and become less effective over time. When autophagy works efficiently, it helps protect your body from disease and premature aging. By removing damaged components, it ensures that cells can continue to function optimally, contributing to overall health and longevity. When you eat constantly, your cells are busy digesting and processing food. This means autophagy takes a back seat. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating newer, healthier cells. But when you fast, your body doesn't have incoming food to process. Instead, it shifts its focus. This shift in energy use allows your cells to focus on cleaning house. They start breaking down and recycling cellular debris, and repairing themselves through autophagy. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and function. Fasting, in essence, flips the switch on your body's internal recycling system. By doing so, it promotes longevity and overall well-being, making it a powerful tool for health. Section 4. The power of autophagy, health benefits. Improved cellular autophagy through fasting offers many health benefits. It can help your body fight off diseases by removing damaged cell parts that could lead to illness. Autophagy also promotes longevity by slowing down cellular aging. It may even reduce the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Section 5. Practical fasting. Finding your fit. There are various fasting methods, from time-restricted feeding to alternate day fasting. Time-restricted feeding involves limiting your eating window to a certain number of hours each day. Alternate day fasting involves alternating between days of eating normally and days of severely restricting calories. The best approach depends on your individual needs and lifestyle. Conclusion. Fasting is a powerful tool to improve your health by activating autophagy, your body's natural cellular cleansing process. While it's always best to consult with your doctor before making significant dietary changes, exploring the potential of fasting may lead you on a path to greater well-being.